Hello everyone, this is me Maha, your English instructor from tutoria.pk. I hope you all are doing good and are in great spirits. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss book exercise for Unit 9, जिसका नाम है Selecting the Right Career. Let's start the discussion of book exercise for Unit 9, जिसका नाम है Selecting the Right Career. And first we'll discuss internal questions. So first internal question is, in past, why did people want to become a doctor, an engineer or a pilot? Answer. In past, people wanted to become a doctor, an engineer or a pilot because at that time they used to think that any student's future plans revolved around adopting one of the mentioned professions. They used to think that only these fields offer rewarding careers in terms of both respect and money. Second internal question is, explain the phrase profitable livelihood. Answer. Profitable livelihood means luxurious living support which one gains by some money-making profession. Writer says many people think the right career merely means a profession that guarantees a profitable livelihood. Next internal question is, how do career counselors help you choose the right profession? Answer. Career counselors are well aware of the hiring trends in the job market. They determine the personalities of the students, observe and analyze their interests, and suggest suitable careers according to their aptitude. Thank you.